Oh yeah, it's hot today. It is so hot. But welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. I gave y'all a little energy, but thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout. I gotta get this camera right. I'm sorry, y'all. But I want to give a big old shout out to all the people who watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, walkthroughs, whatever. My Sip and Chat Fridays, 6 p.m. Central Time. If you there and you watching all of my videos, shout out to you. You are my MVP of the channel. And because of you, I keep posting. Thank you for always supporting your girl. I truly appreciate it. Today it is hot. Whew, it's hot. So yes, I gotta take this stuff to the donation center. Then I gotta go to work. I gotta do my training, my driving training. We do that every year before the school start. Got my cup with ice in it and my favorite water, hint water. Yeah, I know, I always talk about this water. My hint water. I got my jug with my ice in it because it's gonna be blazing hot on that bus. I already know. Also, have y'all tried the Vitalife cold pressed juice at Aldi? I think these are, I forgot how much they cost. I think $1 or $2. We're gonna say $2, $2 something. Cold press. This is apple, pineapple, cucumber, kale, spinach, lemon, and ginger. It's so good. I really like this. So I'm drinking this because I haven't eaten anything. I haven't even drunk any coffee. So I'm just gonna drink this just to put something in my body. Also, like I said, today is a Aldi day. They have 7 candles, 4 of the $3.99 candles, and they have 3 of the marble jar candles, which cost $7. I think I'm gonna pass on the marble jar candles. I'm only gonna get the 3 wick ones. I think I'm gonna try to get I'm gonna get 6. Because there's been a lot of hype around the sunflower and zest candle. A lot of people is talking about saying that kind of snuck up on them. They didn't think it was going to be good, which that's what I said in my live. If you're not following me, if every Friday I do a sip and chat at 6 p.m. Central Time, 6 p.m. Central Time. We usually try to go from an hour maybe to 2 hours. It just depends on the conversation, what we're talking about. We just talk about a lot of everything in that chat. So join me on Friday, 6 p.m. Central Time. 6 p.m. Central Time. But as I was saying, in the sip and chat, I said that I was gonna probably skip on the sunflower and zest candle, but I think I'm gonna get it because it's a lot of hype around it. So I think I'm gonna get 2 of those. I think I'm gonna get 2 of the apple one. I forgot the name of it. I'm gonna get 1 of the mahogany and amber, and then 1 of that lakeside one, lakeside dream or something to that nature. So yeah, that's my run through. That's what I'm gonna get. But let's head on over here because this is getting long. So let's head to the store. Let's get it. Okay, yeah, I just made it to Aldi. I usually go to this Aldi a lot earlier, and this Aldi be selling out, so I'm not sure if they're gonna have any candles. I hope they do, because it's 12 o'clock. But what I have been noticing about the Aldis that's closer to my house, they've been getting a whole lot of cases of candles. So fingers crossed that this store is the same way and they have them. If not, I might just have to wait until I get closer to my area to get them, which is gonna suck because it's so late in the game. Like I said, it's almost 12 o'clock. So let's head in here and hopefully they have some candles. Hopefully. So let's go, y'all.
Oh, ma'am.
It's so extra.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I did get some candles. I got the almond apple torte candle. Hopefully y'all could see that because I might be in another bad area. Apple torte candle. Almond apple torte. And I did get 2 of these. Most definitely get that apple smell. To me, this kind of smells like apple. I think it's apple weather. To me, this most definitely smelled like an orchard, apple orchard. When you go to the orchard and you smell all the apples, fresh picked apples. That's what this smells like. I can't really necessarily smell none of the almond yet. But I guess it'll come out when I burn it. And I'm just kind of pissed, to be honest, y'all. But it do smell sweet, and to me the apple is the top note in this. And on the label it just have like apples like on the vine. Hopefully this will come through in the footage when I play it back to edit or whatever. But it do smell like a sweet apple. Then I got the sunflower and zest. I got 2 of these. Y'all know at first I said I was not gonna get this candle because I just thought it just wasn't gonna be anything. But a lot of people is saying that this is the pick of the week. A lot of people is saying that this one is surprising them. Again, no notes on the bottom. It's just a warning label. So that's the reason why I decided to grab 2, because I didn't want to miss out if it was actually a good candle. So I decided to grab 2. Most definitely smells like citrus, but floral. Yeah, citrus with floral. That's what it smells like to me. So yeah, I decided to grab 2 of these. The other ones, I just got 1 and 1 because y'all know I wasn't going to get this mahogany and amber because I personally think it's going to be like mahogany teak wood. That's what I think. Very much a fall candle, but I'm smelling like spices or something. Yeah, I'm getting more of a spice. Or it might be like that wood note. Yeah, I'm good with 1. And then this Lakeside Dream. I figured that this is gonna be just like any typical sea-like candle. Or men's fragrance. I could barely smell this one. And it could just be because I've been smelling all the other ones. This week's pick. To me, this week's pick is not because I like it, but for the strength of it. To me, this one is the strongest. This one looks like it's gonna really, really throw. So I will highly recommend this one out of all of them. This one, the mahogany one, seemed like it's going to be a really good throw as well. But because of fall is coming, this will be a really, really good apple candle for the fall. So I do highly recommend this one. Yeah. If you love apple scented candles, this is a must-have. I could take apple or leave it. You know, it's cool, but it's not something that I have to have every fall at all. So yeah, I really don't have a favorite this week at all. You know, I probably could have passed on all of these candles. I like them, but it's not, none of these candles is anything that I will actually run for at all. So yeah, Aldi has been a day. This has been a trip. This has been a trip. So leave in the comments, let me know, what did you buy from Aldi? What was your number one pick? Leave that in the comments. Yeah, just let me know, what did you buy? If you bought all four. Oh, another thing, those marble candles, I did record a little bit of the marble candles. I did not smell them. I decided to pass because they are 2-wick candles for $7. And this year the actual jars are kind of shiny. The jars from last time they came out, they were more matte. I like the other jars way better. But like I said, I did not smell those at all. You know, I just passed. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. But leave in the comments, let me know if you purchased anything from Aldi this week. What was your number one pick? Did you buy those marble candles? Leave that at the bottom, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.